Spider Mountain is Texas's first and only lift-access bike park. Living in Texas, you don't find much elevation change. The only time I ever rode downhill for an extended period of time was when I went to Angel Fire Bike Park in New Mexico. It was such a new and amazing experience. Angel Fire was the closest lift-access bike park to me. It is still roughly 12 hours away, so visiting frequently is not possible. The same company that runs Angel Fire set up this new bike park on Spider Mountain near Burnet, Texas. It's a 2-hour drive from my house, which feels like nothing when I get a full day of downhill riding in return. Spider Mountain offers 350 feet of descending. That doesn't sound like much, but our runs took about 5 minutes to get to the bottom. They have 4 trailheads at the top. Currently a green trail, blue trail, black diamond, and double black diamond, and there's a blue jump line that branches off of Itsy Bitsy. That doesn't sound like a lot of options, but it was enough to ride all day. I met Hunt Style and Cobra Kyle there for a day of riding. We started around 10 o'clock and quit around 4:30. The plan was to stay the night and then hit Reveille Peak Ranch the next day, but I was pretty beat and decided just to head home. It's funny how tired you get from downhill riding when you're not used to it. Show off. This place was packed on its second weekend. You may have seen Seth's Bike Hacks video showing it snowed the opening day, which is abnormal. This weekend's weather was abnormally hot. It was 85 degrees in February. It's $50 for a lift ticket. You can camp on site and primitive campsites for $10 a night, or bring your RV or trailer for $20 a night. Showers are not available and portable toilets are currently the only option. Cell service was limited to non-existent at the base with AT&T, but you get great service at the top. I'm going to cut together some full runs in another video. I know a lot of people are curious what the park looks like, so hopefully that will help. For now, here are some highlights from the day.
Ooh, that hurt. It's so steep right here. Oh. Wow, that was fun.
The entrance to the jump line VENOM is right off the green trail. Be prepared for a little chunk before you get into the jumps. Even the park's medic went down in this spot. After that, you quickly gain speed leading into the jumps.
Whoa, that was my best yet.
I definitely recommend checking out Spider Mountain. I can't wait to see what else they build there. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you've been or are planning to go to Spider Mountain. How far will you travel to check this place out? Subscribe if you want to see more from Spider Mountain. I'll have the full runs up very soon. Thanks for watching.